Want to spice up your vehicle's handling without breaking the bank? Rekudo adjustable shocks are perfect for aggressive drivers, autocrossers, and track days for you weekend warriors. Right out of the box, you'll notice firmer, performance-based valving that gives your vehicle better control without the harsh ride. And like I said, they're fully adjustable without any special tools. With the shocks off the vehicle, the firmness can be increased or decreased by hand. Simply compress the shock fully while keeping the shock body in an upright position. While applying downward pressure to the shock, rotate the piston rod in either direction until you see and feel the piston rod drop and the adjuster mechanism engages. This should occur with half a turn or less of the piston rod. Once you feel the adjuster engage, turn the piston rod clockwise to increase the dampening force, giving you a firmer setting. Turn the piston rod counterclockwise to soften the ride and decrease the dampening force. Rekudo shocks were designed to work on both stock as well as modified suspensions and utilize the factory mounting points for a stock fit. All shocks are sold individually and come with the added security of a 24-month limited warranty. To see if we have a set of Rekudo shocks for your ride, visit our website at holley.com.